How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troyce here, and today I'm gonna review these new keto-friendly pizzas from Cali'Flour Foods. They have 8 grams of total carbs per serving. I'm gonna review this, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. All right, so let's take a look at what this pizza has to offer. Per serving, it's 17 grams of fat, 8 grams of carbs, minus the dietary fiber of 2 grams will give you 6 grams of net carbs and 21 grams of protein. So there you have it. For half of this pizza, it will net you 6 grams of net carbs. Not terrible, but I will say I'm probably gonna go in for the whole pie. So for the whole pie, you're looking at 15 grams of total carbs minus 3 grams of dietary fiber, which will give you 12 grams of net carbs. And at 530 calories. You really can't go wrong. The ingredients are really spot on as well. Really clean, wholesome ingredients. All right, so let's pop this right into the oven. There it is, the pizza. All right, we got it on the baking tray. Let's place it into the oven, preheating at 425 degrees for approximately 12 to 14 minutes. Moment of truth right here is the pizza. Now for a taste test. That is delicious. Tastes just like pizza. Wow, that is delicious. Tastes just like a pizza, just without the carbs. This pizza is absolutely a knockout. 100% delicious, incredible, keto friendly, and some of the cleanest ingredients I've seen on a frozen pizza on the ketogenic lifestyle. But if you're looking for a pizza that has more of a crunchy crust, I would recommend a Quest pizza. But the Quest pizzas do have more carbs. But as far as total carbs are concerned, this is incredible. It is a little bit expensive, about $8 per pizza. But if you look at it from this perspective, if you buy 2 of these, it'll equate to $16, which is about the same price as a regular full-size pizza from your local pizzeria. So if you look at it from that perspective, it adds up. But at the end of the day, this is as close as you're gonna get to keto-friendly pizza on keto without the carbs. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're gonna enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troyce signing out.